start today's class? Are you ready? Okay. Then today our aim is to make new words with A, E and O sound. Okay. So let's start. Are you ready? Okay. I have write few words here. I read it for you. First one, grow, table, game, meet, seat, note, eight, eve and most. Is it clear to you children? So I am going to divide these words into 3 groups. Okay. So in first group we have table, then game, then 8. Okay. 8. Here table, game, 8. Can you find any similarity here? Yes, exactly. It is a sound, isn't it? Table, game, 8. Okay. So it has same sound. Which is that sound? Yeah, a sound. Okay. Then the another group is meet, seat and eve. Can you find any similarity here? Yes, exactly. It is E sound. Okay. Then we have grow, note and most. Can you find any similarity in between these words? Yes, it is O sound, isn't it? So, O sound. Okay. Is it clear to you children? Here we have 8 words. Grow, table, game, meet, seat, note, 8, eve and most. Okay. Then we have divided these words into 3 groups. Okay. First group we have table, game, 8 which have same sound. Okay. So it is a sound and here grow, note, most. It has O sound. Okay. Then here we have meet, seat and eve. Okay. It is E sound. Okay. Is it clear to you children? Okay. Key would be O A. Okay. Okay. Can you see 8 letters in this column? Which is that letters K, B, Y, O, R, D, A, E. Okay. By using these words we can make. Can you see? Okay, ready. Can you see some letters in this column? Okay. K, B, Y, O, R, D, A, E. Okay. Using these letters we can make new words. Okay. Are you ready? So, we have D, A, Y. Which is that word? Yes, it is day. Then R, A, Y. Another word, ray. Then we have B, A, K, E, bake. Yes, day, ray, bake. And which have? Yes, a sound. Okay. These 3 words have same sound. Which is that sound? Yes, a sound. Day, ray, bake. Okay. So shall we make another words? Okay. Then we have R, E A D. So read. R E A D. Okay. Then we have R O A D. Road. Okay. R O A D. Road. Then B O A R D. Board. Okay, here we get which sound, children? Yes, road, board, which is O sound. Is it clear to you, children? So now we have three sound, isn't it? Which is that sound? A sound, E sound and O sound. So by using these sounds, we can make another words. Okay. Here we have 8 letters K, B, Y, O, R, D, A, E. Can you say a word by using these letters? Can you say, children? Yes, very good. Which is that word? Yes, it is keyboard. B-O. Okay, which is that word? It is keyboard. Okay. Then shall we play a game? Are you ready? Okay, and what is our game? Can you say? Yes, our game is letter changing game. Okay. Okay, look here. Here we have B R E A D. We have a word bread. Okay. B R E A D. Okay. If we change one letter here, which is that letter D. Okay. So B R E A, and we change this letter and we add here K. Okay, now it is break. Okay, here it is bread and here it is break. Okay, then instead of here, so here we change the letter E, and instead of that we add B R O A D. Yes, we add the letter O and we get a new word. Okay, which is that word? Yes, it is brood. Okay, so by changing here we change the first letter, and instead of that we add K and we get a new word which is break. And here we get bread. Here we write the same bread here and we change the letter E and we get the word brood. Okay, so by changing letter and add a new letter instead of that, through that we can make many new words. Okay, so here the two vowels are coming together, E, and here it is EA, and here it is OA, and here it is EA. Okay, so here the sound is A sound, and here it is O sound. Okay, and if two vowels came together, we will call it as, yes, vowel team letters. Okay, so it is vowel team letters. Why we call it as? Yes, because two vowels came together here. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And here the two vowels E and A came together. Here also E and A came together. And here it is E and A. Okay, and it is O and A. Is it clear to you, children? So here two vowels came together, so we will call it as vowel team letters. Okay, together we will call it as vowel team letters. Okay, is it clear to you, children? Here the word bread, and we change the last letter D and we add K instead of this letter D, isn't it? Here we erase that letter, and instead of that letter we add letter K. Okay, so then we will get a new word here. Which is that word? Yes, it is break. And here we change the letter third letter E, and instead of that we add a new letter O, and we get a new word, isn't it? Which is that word? Yes, it is broad. Okay, and here two vowels came together, so it is vowel team letters. Okay, is it clear to you, children? So today we studied how to identify the sounds, okay, A, E, O, and how to make new words, okay, by erasing one letter here and add another letter instead of that, okay, then we create many new words, okay. Is it clear to you, children? Then take your English workbook, page number 24. Here is for making words, okay. So I read the first question. Read the words, change a letter in a word to make a new words that match the pictures. Okay. So here a few words have given. What you have to do is you change a letter from this word and add a new letter. Then what happened? Yes, then we will get a new word. Okay. But that new word should be match with this picture. Okay. So for example, B-E-A-T, and the picture is, yes, it is a board. So we can change this word E and add new letter. So here we have a word. Which is that word? Yes, it is beat. Okay, B-E-A-T, and here we have a picture of boat. Is it clear to you, children? So here we erase the letter E and add a new letter B-O-A-T. Isn't it? Here we erase that letter and instead of that we add O. So we will get boat. Okay. Likewise here it is coast, and this is the picture of toast. Yes. So C-O-A-S-T. And it is the picture of toast. So we have to change the first letter C, okay. Instead of that we add T, okay. Then it become toast. Is it clear to you, children? Okay. Similarly, you have to do C, D and E, okay. Then the question number 2, fill in the blanks with the vowel team letters. Do you remember team letters, children? Yes, very good. Two vowels came together, okay. Then it become a team. Then the first one is steel. S, T, dash, dash, L. So it is steel. S-T-E-A-L. Isn't it? Here two vowels came together. Like the next word is D-R-M. Yes, here it is D-R-E-A-M. So it is dream. Here two vowels came together, E and A, isn't it? And the next one is F, L, dash, dash, T. Which is that letter? Here, will you please say? Yes, very good. It is float. F-L-O-A-T. So, here two vowels came together. It is a vowel team letters. Okay. Is it clear to you, children? First one is steel. Here we add E and A. Two vowels. Okay. Here it is dream. D-R-E-A-M. Okay. And here it is float. We add O and A. Okay. Similarly, you have to do this D and E. Okay. In question number 3, make one sentence with each of the above verbs. Okay. Above verb means steal, dream and float. Okay. So, you have to make one sentence with each of the verbs. Which is that verb? Steal, dream, float, and these two verbs. Okay. So, for example, you can say, I dream during my sleep. Isn't it? This is one sentence. I dream during my sleep by using dream. Okay. Likewise, a thief steal my things. Okay. This is another sentence by using steal. A thief steal my things, and this is I dream during my sleep. Okay. Similarly, you have to fill this line. Okay. Is it clear to you, children? Did you understand? Then take your English content book and turn to page number 21. There you can see block 3 sequence of events. Okay. You have to do this block 3. Okay. So the first question, where does the blue kite decide to fly in the beginning of the story? Okay. Question number B, what does the blue kite see during her journey? And question number C, how does the blue kite feel at the end of the story? Okay. You have to do this. And the question number 2, draw what Sippy does in the beginning, middle and end of the story. Okay. Question number C, list 3 important events from the story, The Blue Kite. Okay. And question number 4, look at this picture and fill the blanks with correct vowel team letters. Yes, it is a picture of C. So you can fill here as S, E, A. Okay. Similarly, you have to do this, and you have to do question number 5. It is from present tense. Okay. Then question number 6. Read the words aloud and underline the vowel sound in each. Okay. It is very simple to you. Dream, float and pale. So you have to add the vowel sound only. And question number 7. Rewrite the words in alphabetic order. The words are plan, prove, piece, paint and point. Okay. And question number 8. What do you do after getting back from the school every day? Write a sentence using words like first, then, after that and finally. Okay. So you have to do block 3 as homework. Okay. I hope you understood. That's for today. Thank you.